Good day, gentlemen, ladies, and all safety challenge species in between. I am the Safety Ductor, not your average duck. I wear a tie, I use science, and I give a damn about your limbs, lungs, and lives. Now listen, I'm here to drop a golden egg of truth. PPE is the last damn resort. Not the first, not the second, the last. Hard hats, safety goggles, gloves, steel-toed boots, respirators. Sounds familiar? That's your PPE, your personal protective equipment. But don't get it twisted. PPE isn't some magic shield. It's what you wear after everything else has already failed. It's like bringing a spoon to a sword fight and hoping you get lucky. Not ideal. In safety, we follow a damn smart ladder called the hierarchy of controls. Step 1. Eliminate the hazard. Remove the damn thing. Step 2. Substitute. Replace the bad with something less bad. Step 3. Engineer it out. Guards, barriers, sensors. Step 4. Administrative controls. Training, scheduling, SOPs. And only then, when all those smart solutions are done and dusted, you slap on some PPE. Why last? Because PPE doesn't remove the hazard. It just wraps your squishy body in a buffer and hopes the buffer holds. Let's be real. Management loves PPE because it's cheap and
Shiny! Like the treasure from the Pokemon wreck. Scrub the tech and make it look shiny!
workers feel safer when they wear it. It's visible, it's easy. But guess what? It fails. Gloves tear. Goggles fog. Hard hats fall off. Respirators get itchy and then accidentally forgotten. And when PPE fails, it fails right next to your skin. Let me paint you a picture. A worker's using an angle grinder. The guard was removed. Sparks flying, no isolation, no shield. Just a face shield and a prayer. Wheel explodes. Shrapnel goes through the face shield like butter. Now he's got 3 less teeth and 1 new nickname. Spark Face. Moral of the story? PPE didn't fail him. The system did. By treating PPE as the hero, instead of the last damn backup. Design out the danger. Plan your processes. Educate your people. Use PPE, but only when everything else has already made the workplace as safe as ducking possible. I'm not against PPE. I wear these little fireproof booties myself, but don't worship it. Respect the full system. Or one day, you'll be explaining to your family why you came home with fewer parts than you left with. I'm the Safety Ductor. I don't sugarcoat shit. I safety coat it. So next time someone says, just wear your PPE, look them in the eye and ask, what the hell did you do to make sure I don't have to rely on it? Stay sharp, stay clean, stay unmaimed. Quack out.